Hi. So I'm here in Old Town San Diego with some friends taking pictures. I'm just gonna make a short little video since I haven't in a while.
I just got a bomb shot of her.
So I just met with somebody, a local here, and telling me all the secrets and all the dips and stuff. And it was short and brief, and she was really nice. I really wish I got her name. I lost my friends right now. They left me. The show is going. I don't know where they are, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Not gonna lie, this kind of reminds me of Texas. Look. Except there's no water towers. Okay, I really have no idea where they went. And I am next to a Cosmopolitan hotel. I'm really lost. Since I have no idea where they are, I'm gonna visit this restaurant because it says dill pickles. Oh wait, hold on. So they found me and
We're looking everywhere.
yeah, it took a good while. I was talking to this guy, he gave me a map. Unfortunately I didn't buy any pickles. It's $3, which is not bad because I love pickles. And he said he was gonna slice it up and I would have shared it with these girls.
But that's if you found us.
Yeah. I was So we made it to a new spot in San Diego. Stuart is taking pictures of Diara. And I'll show you where we're gonna be going to. I'm really excited. We made it to Little Italy here in San Diego with my friends. This is actually pretty sick. Now we're at Mona Lisa here, and this is just an appetizer. Nice.
Took my fork.
He's got pizza, mushroom pizza.
Are you
What'd you get?
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Fettuccine Alfredo. What'd you get?
Spaghetti and
Pizza, no.
Forgot? This is spaghetti. It looks like you just got sauce.
spaghetti. No,
Thank you. See, my spaghetti came too. Let us eat. So we're at the Mona Lisa, and then the Mona Lisa's right here, hidden, with her little gentle smile. So is this the end, guys?
I think so. Yeah. I'm dead tired.
How's Little Italy? Little Italy.
It was nice.
Not even little Italians.
I do recommend going there. There's a lot of cute stuff, a lot of cute stores.
My first time even coming here.
Okay, so that's gonna be the end for my vlog. I got us some cannolis for my family back at home. Everyone's in the car settling in. It was such a good night just seeing everyone actually smile for once. Because my name is Cece Stellar Schluss on there. I think it's time, because I'm a baker, I should actually start using my baking skills on there and show you what I can make. Okay, bye.